Vectors are the building block of R. Combine values into one with C for combine, and vectors can hold numbers or text. Maths runs on every element at once, with no loops, multiply or subtract, and R applies it across the whole vector. Index elements with square brackets, counting from 1. Pick positions, or select every value that meets a condition. Build vectors quickly, a colon for a run of integers, sec for a step, and rep to repeat a value. And summarize, length, sum, mean and max, one function each. That is the vector toolkit.